What's up guys, it's me MAJ. Today we're going to be making chicken Alfredo pasta. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients right now. So for the pasta it is 4 cups of pasta. You can either use fettuccine or any other pasta. Okay, 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into small cubes or pieces. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic crushed together. We need some oil for frying. We need 4 tablespoons of mushroom pieces. Okay. We need salt, half a teaspoon, pepper, half a teaspoon, black pepper. And yeah, that's it. And for the sauce, we need 1.5 cup of milk, and we need 2 tablespoons of flour. We also need, oh God, it just gets out of my mind. 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil. You can either use butter, it will melt and become just like oil. And then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt. This is for the sauce, okay? Basil leaves, dried 1 pinch. Oregano, same 1 pinch. And shredded mozzarella cheese. That's it. Yeah, so now let's get to the preparation of the chicken Alfredo pasta. And yes, I will not mix the sauce with the chicken. I will pour the sauce on top of the chicken and pasta. Okay, so now let's get to the preparation. And yes, before going to the preparation, smash that subscribe button. Follow my Facebook page and my Instagram page. It's Cooking with Chef MAJ. Share with your friends, like the video, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so my pasta is almost done boiling. I've added a pinch of salt and I'm gonna add a bit of oil, olive oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it so that it doesn't stick. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting my boneless chicken for the pasta. Okay. See, this is a good enough size. Okay. Okay, so I've cut the boneless chicken into small pieces. Okay, so now on to cooking the chicken. First, I'm gonna pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I have crushed ginger, garlic together. That's gonna be like 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'm gonna first turn on the stove. Okay, then I'm just gonna pour some olive oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my ginger garlic, okay, and then just put it in the stove. Okay, so we're gonna let the ginger garlic cook for a while. We have to let it sizzle. We can't put the chicken before it starts sizzling, okay? Okay, so as you can see, the ginger garlic is starting to sizzle. So now I'm gonna put all of my chicken in the pan. Just gonna mix it around a bit. Now you have to let it cook for a while, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, the chicken has started to cook. It has turned white. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some salt, half a teaspoon, and pepper, half a teaspoon. And the pepper is black pepper, not white pepper. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it. Now after I've mixed it, I'm gonna put the lid on it and then I'm gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay. Lid. Okay, so you can see that the chicken is done. So now I'm gonna add approximately 4 tablespoons of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, okay? Oh. Now I'm just gonna mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. And yes, please be careful while cooking. Okay, so now it's done. So now I'm gonna add my boiled pasta. And mix it well. Okay, now I'm gonna add a bit more salt, a pinch of pepper. I'm gonna mix it around. Okay, so the ingredients are 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of milk, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of refined flour, a bit of basil, oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so when I'm going to be pouring in the flour and then the milk, if you can take more than 1 cup of milk if it's still thick. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to take our oil. Okay, and then we're going to take our flour, 2 tablespoons of flour. While you're putting the flour, we're going to keep on stirring it so that it doesn't join together. We have to turn it brown, okay? So, okay. As you can see, it started to sizzle. Okay, so now we're gonna add our milk. Yeah, and we're gonna keep on stirring. Keep adding milk if it's like still thick. We have to make it thin, okay? And get rid of the lumps. Okay, so as you can see, it is becoming thick like cream. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a bit more milk. Okay, and just stir. You have to get rid of the lumps, okay? You can just press them down so that they also get mixed together. And you have to keep it on low flame. Okay, now I'm gonna add the salt and mix it. Just keep on mixing, don't stop, okay? Next we're gonna add pepper. Okay, and then we're gonna add oregano and basil. And then we're gonna add our cheese. Okay, so as you can see, the sauce, Alfredo pasta sauce, is ready. It shouldn't be runny or thick. Okay, this is the perfect consistency. Now I just want to say this will take a bit of effort because for the sauce you have to just keep on stirring. Okay, so that there aren't any lumps made. Okay, so our Alfredo pasta is ready. As you can see here, it's looking quite delicious. Now, there are a few things I did. You don't have to do that. First of all, I did not have fettuccine pasta. That's why I use normal shell pasta. Next, while making the cream, you can either use 1 tablespoon of butter or you can use oil like I did. Okay, and I mixed the chicken and pasta together, but you can also mix the chicken and mushrooms in the sauce. Okay, and yeah, that's it. If you like my recipe, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and also follow my Facebook and Instagram account. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.